Giuseppe, what are you doing?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Well, look at this.
Look at
Back
this.
on the custom truck.
You took the seat out again?
Don't remind me. Now, you know what I'm doing?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna need your help.
What do you need?
I'm gonna have you hold this down this way I can drill this hole, otherwise it's gonna get tangled up and do that.
Right.
So
what are you
then-
doing?
Well, for some reason, this kicker system I put in, when I shut the ignition off, the sound system stays on, and I don't want it to kill the battery.
Okay.
So,
Well, you know, you could have ran it through an ignition wire or something, but sometimes that interrupts because it's heavy duty bass.
right.
That's good. You ran it straight, put a switch, bing, bang.
How you doing? Right.
I don't.
So,
what do you got?
I got a whole bunch of switches that Dorman has. Now, this isn't all the switches that Dorman has. These are just a couple that... No, those aren't switches. These
They're
are...
good for me.
So, if you were going to guess which switch I was going to use.
I like chrome. This is cool.
Yes! You are the brains connect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know why I'm going to use this one?
Why?
While my voice cracks. The reason
Why are you
I'm
going to
gonna-
use this one?
The reason why I'm going to use this switch is because it lights up.
That's good, because you got a lot of shag in there.
So,
you're going to lose yourself.
Yes!
in the car.
Right! You're going to be looking around like, where am I? I'm in a maze.
Okay. Knock it out. Go ahead.
All right, you got it.
All right, go ahead. It didn't work. Come on, you look like a raisinette.
I bent the drill bit.
No, you didn't.
Made you look.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's hot. Go ahead, open it. It's like a dog treat. I'm like a Vito. We don't have any male fittings, though, with females. I was just over there. All right, let's go.
Now we got this one. For the ground.
Landing
So-
a black wire that goes from here, and then we're gonna wire tie everything, make it look neat. Okay.
Really, a switch is only an interruption to one of the lines. So now, plug it into the ground, just like so. We're just testing this out because this is one of the holes for the seat mounting, the seat mount. So when we put the seat in, the wire is going to be there, just like you see here.
Well, it's gonna go behind anyway.
Behind.
Yeah.
Big time. Oh yeah. So it works now. Well, I don't know what Pops is, so making it happen.